Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Withings scale. First, carefully unbox your new scale and remove all protective packaging. Make sure you have 4 fresh AAA batteries on hand, as these are essential for powering your device. Next, download the free Withings Health Mate app onto your smartphone or tablet from your device's app store. This app is crucial for connecting and managing your scale, and it will guide you through the initial setup process seamlessly. Now, let's get your scale powered on and connected. Flip your Withings scale over and open the battery compartment. Insert the 4 AAA batteries, ensuring correct polarity, then close the cover securely. Place your scale on a hard, flat surface, like tile or hardwood, for accurate readings. Avoid soft surfaces such as carpets. Open the Withings Health Mate app on your device and select the option to add a device, then choose your specific scale model from the list. With your scale connected, it's time to personalize your experience. Within the HealthMate app, you can create a new user profile or select an existing one. This ensures your measurements are accurately attributed to you. Once your profile is ready, step onto the scale barefoot. Stand still for a few seconds while the scale takes your initial measurements. Your weight will display on the scale, and the data will automatically synchronize with your profile in the HealthMate app. To get the most out of your Withings scale, explore its advanced features within the HealthMate app. You can track body composition metrics like body fat and muscle mass, and even monitor activity levels if you have other Withings devices. For maintenance, simply wipe the scale's surface with a soft, damp cloth to keep it clean. Periodically check the HealthMate app for firmware updates to ensure your scale operates with the latest enhancements and accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.